When you first create your Claritee account, you're going to have one workspace, and when you invite users to collaborate with you, they're going to have access to that workspace. Now, if you get invited to join Claritee, you're going to have access to the workspace of whoever invited you, and you're also going to have your own workspace. So generally speaking, you can stay inside the main workspace that you or your company or team work inside of. You can also create new workspaces, of course, depending on your plan level. It's important that you create a project and room inside the right workspace that you actually have a paid plan for, if you have a paid plan, and that way you have access to all the features there. So if you were invited to a project and you create projects inside your own workspace, you're not going to be able to have the same features unless you upgrade that workspace as well. So just make sure you're aware of which workspace you're working inside of with the rest of your team. And usually it's quite simple. You'll just have one workspace that you and your company will work inside of. Generally speaking, each room should be where you work on a set of projects that all have similar assets that you might reuse. So for example, if you create things and add them to your library or you upload images, those are going to be available inside that room. So everything that you create, so every project you create inside that room, you're going to have access to those same assets. So oftentimes we see the way that these rooms are used can be for clients that you might be working with. So under that client's projects, you're going to be able to upload a logo, maybe several images that you can use across all of your projects. So it's just a nice way of organizing all of that work. And when you invite people, you can assign them individual rooms that they have access to. Over here on the left, you can pull up the navigation. I can quickly access any room or any project or even a page on a project to jump around there. Here's how to get started with the project. From whatever room I'm working on, I can click New Project. Now I can also go to the navigation panel over here and I can just click New Project. Just make sure you selected the right room and make sure that you're in the right workspace.